if you turn on your hotel collection diffuser, but nothing's happening. That's the exact situation we are fixing. When your hotel collection diffuser lights up but doesn't release any scent, it usually means the system is active but the diffusion pathway isn't working. Think of it like a running engine with no fuel flow. The issue often sits in the oil feed, nozzle condition, or internal cycle settings, not the power itself. From the outside, everything looks fine, which is why it's confusing. The solution is to restore that flow and trigger proper operation again. Let's go step by step and get it actually working, not just powered. Try these. 1. Turn the diffuser off. Wait briefly, then power it back on to reset. 2. Remove the oil bottle and reinstall it firmly to ensure proper connection. 3. Clean the atomizer nozzle area to clear any hidden blockage. 4. Adjust the output setting to a higher intensity or continuous mode. 5. Let the unit run for a short time to rebuild internal flow. 6. Check for scent output and confirm normal operation resumes.